contour under my jaw to get rid of my double chins that my lovely children provided me with. That was their gift, my birthing gift from them. I think this is gonna end up being a get ready in under 10 minutes to get out of the house. I think that's the way that we're gonna have to play this one. Oh, Jesus Christ. Good morning, everybody. So I hope you're all doing really well. My name is Nikitta. If you haven't been here before, I post videos on lifestyle, fashion and motherhood, and this morning I'm showing you how I get ready for the day ahead, for work, for school runs, for meetings, all of that good stuff in under 10 minutes. And I will show you how I go from this to this in under 10 minutes. So let's get to it. Good morning, everybody, and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, then hi, welcome. My name is Nikitta and I post videos based on lifestyle, fashion and motherhood. And like every other mum out there, I have minimal time in the morning to get ready, do the school run, get to work and look half presentable. So I thought I would do a little bit of a series on the things that I do to make life easier and the things that I try and speed up, simple routines, simple habits, habit stacking, that sort of thing, to show you how I actually get everything done and how I try and stay organized as a mum, how I stay motivated. And I thought my first video in that series would be how I pull myself together in minimal time, and I've actually set myself a little challenge. I think I'm going to try and get it done in 5 minutes because I think that's probably about the time that I do. So I have brought my phone and I'm going to set a time. I'm going to set my stopwatch to see how long it actually takes me to do, and this is my go-to everyday makeup. I do this literally morning, noon and night just to look a little bit alive and not look like this. I'm also going to try and sort out my hair in this. This is old hair, so it is going to be an updo rather than having it down, but I will show you the different routines throughout this series of what I actually do with my hair to keep myself looking presentable, that keeps it nice and easy, and I don't have to mess around faffing about in the morning with curling irons, straighteners, all that stuff. So let's just get on to it. So I've set my timer, and the second that I press this button, I'm gonna stop talking. Well, I'm gonna stop talking as much as I possibly can, and I'm just gonna show you what I'm doing. I will link everything down below in the description, just in case it's something that you wanna pick up, just because these are my go-to. These are literally my foolproof, fail-safe makeup bits. So let's get on to it. Ready? Go! Oh! So the first thing that I'm going to do is I'm going to use my L'Oreal True Match Concealer. This is in the shade 4N, and I'm actually going to use the mirror that's to the side of me, but you'll still be able to see everything. So I'm just going to pop some concealer under my eyes, everywhere that I've got some blemishes. And then I got these Mange brushes from TikTok, and I'm just gonna pat that in. I try not to rub it in just because I feel that it sits better when I pat it in. Get that nice and covered. And 50 seconds in, and the redness, most of the redness is gone. I always have a red face. I swear I've got rosacea, but it's just never something that I've gone and had diagnosed. And then for my foundation, I always use Estee Lauder Double Wear Foundation, and I'm just going to pop some of that onto my brush. Ooh, might have used too much there. And then I'm just going to spot it around so that I know that it's spread out really nicely, making sure that I'm going down my neck, and then I'm just going to blend all of this in. God, the lighting in here is terrible. Probably should have turned the lights off and got my ring light out, but it's my morning routine. I don't have time for that. One thing that I'm gonna say is, as part of this series, I'm actually going to be doing a less filtered, more raw version, because I think it's really, really sad that as mums, we see all of these people on YouTube, TikTok, Instagram, and they're all these mums and they live the perfect life. They have everything's filtered, and you don't see any of the bad days, any of the more challenging times with kids. It's all just very Instagram worthy, social media worthy, and that's not something that I really want my channel to be. I think I did attempt that when I first started out, but it's just not something that I really want anymore. I want it to be real, and so this is how I'm doing it. This is what's going on. Oh my God, I'm 3 minutes in. Oh Jesus Christ. Maybe shouldn't have spoken too much. I'm next going to use the cream contour from PS Pro. I love this contour, and I'm just going to put a little bit. It's exactly the same as the Charlotte Tilbury one. I've had the Charlotte Tilbury one and I love it, but this is literally the same product. I can't tell the difference. I literally cannot tell the difference. So I'm just going to blend that in. Bit of contour under my jaw to get rid of my double chins that my lovely children provided me with. That was their gift, my birthing gift from them, which absolutely adorable. Bloody adorable. Alright, so blending all of that in around the head to give me a bit of a bronzy glow. Oh my goodness, this lighting is terrible, but I will show you in a different lighting. I also put bronzer onto my eyes, well, the contour / bronzer onto my eyes, just to give them a bit of depth so I don't have to mess about with eyeshadow, and it just takes away some of that blank canvas look. Next up is my eyebrows, and I'm using the Brow Texture by LA. I absolutely love this. I actually got the original one in the pot, and then when she brought this out, I decided to get this one instead because this one is much better. I find the brush so much better. I think this is going to end up being a get ready in under 10 minutes to get out of the house. I think that's the way that we're going to have to play this one. I wanted to do it in 5 minutes, but I'm already at 4 minutes and 45 seconds, so not great. And then the next thing I'm going to do while my eyebrows set is where is it? Oh, I've forgotten something. Of course I've forgotten something. I'll put some mascara on. Right, mascara is done. I'm just going to go and grab my powder because I'm not going to get by without it. So I'm going to pause that because it should be in my bag and it's not for whatever reason. So I'm assuming the kids have moved it. So I'm just going to grab that. So I have my powder. It is my Laura Mercier powder and a rather scabby and sorry looking powder puff from HMV Cosmetics. So let's start that. So I'm just going to pop this in here just so that I know that I've got enough. And then I'm going to go under my eyes, probably way too much, but need to keep my face set for the day. I get the greasiest, shiniest forehead, so I'm just going to pop that there, make sure that under my eyes are looking really good. Pop that back in there, and then I'm going to use, then I'm going to use my NYX Brow Lift and Snatch pen. I'm not sure which one of these is the full one, so I'm just going to wing it. The next thing I'm going to use is my Laneige lip balm, well, lip mask, and I literally just pop a little bit of this on. I'll got some white there. Pop that on. And that's my face done. So let's sort this out. So all I'm going to do for my hair is just a really quick slicked back bun, because as I said, I've not washed my hair for a few days, so oh, drop my bubble. I've not washed my hair for a few days, so I can get away with having cotton in my comb. So pull it back, super quick. Pony. I might leave it as a pony actually. Yeah, I'm gonna leave it as a pony. So I'll pop a scrunchie in there just so that it looks a little bit nicer. So that's that, and stop. And 9 minutes and 14 seconds. Yeah, we'll call it 15. So that's it. That's literally how quickly I can get ready in the morning. That's how I set myself up for the day, just to feel nice and just like I've made a little bit of an effort. I always feel so much better when I've made a little bit of an effort with my appearance. I'm just gonna pop some hairspray on actually. So I always feel a little bit better when I put some makeup on. I feel better about my appearance. I feel ready for the day. And another thing that I always do is I always make sure everybody's stuff is set up. Outfits for the next day are up for the night from the night before. Set everything up, but I will do that in an evening prep routine, which will be coming up shortly as part of this series. So for now, that is it from me. I really hope you enjoyed this video. Really hope it helped you. This is, like I said, this is just what I do in the morning. This is what helps me and what makes me feel put together. And it's just a quick, simple, basic, everyday look for me. And yeah, hope you enjoyed it. If you did, please don't forget to like, hit the subscribe button and hit the bell notification so that you're notified every single time that I upload. And I will see you in my next video. Bye.